Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for the battery replacement. You will need a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. Start by powering down your Razer RZ09-0367 and unplugging all connected devices. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the back cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. After removing the back cover, take a moment to inspect the internal components. It's a good practice to clean any dust or debris using compressed air or a soft brush. Now, locate the battery. It's typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If your battery has a connector, gently disconnect it by pulling it straight out. Be cautious to avoid any damage to the connector or surrounding components. With the old battery removed, take your new compatible battery and align it with the connector. Firmly but gently press it into place. Reattach the screws that secure the battery to ensure it is securely fastened. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with a pickup and delivery service right at your home. No calls, no travel, just an easy and convenient solution for your repair needs. Once the battery is securely installed, it's time to replace the back cover. Align it carefully and press it down to snap it back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Make sure all screws are tight but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. After you've secured the back cover, turn the laptop back over and power it on. Check that the battery is recognized by the system. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. If everything looks good, you're all set. Finally, if you need a quote before repair or any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help you through every step of your tech challenges. Remember, proper maintenance and timely battery replacements can extend the life of your device significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.